Hello, can you help me please? I want to buy movie tickets.
Hello, yes, of course. Which movie are you interested in seeing?
I want tickets for the new film, Star Wars: The Return.
That is a very popular choice today. It is showing soon.
What are the available times for that movie this afternoon?
We have screenings at 4:30 and 7 p.m.
The 7 p.m. time is too late for me. I need the earlier show.
The 4:30 p.m. show starts in about 20 minutes.
20 minutes is perfect. I have enough time now.
How many people will be going to the film today?
I need 2 tickets, please, just for 2 adults.
2 adult tickets for the 4:30 p.m. show of Star Wars.
Yes, that is exactly what I need to purchase.
Will you be needing any children or senior citizen tickets?
No, thank you. Only 2 regular adult tickets for this time.
Are you a member of our cinema loyalty club?
No, I am not a member yet. I am visiting this cinema today.
Would you like to sign up for a free loyalty card today?
Maybe next time, thank you. I am in a slight hurry.
I understand completely. We will proceed with the purchase.
The screen looks big from the outside. I hope the sound is good.
Our Screen 5 has a new sound system. It is very loud and clear.
That is great to know. I enjoy good movie sound quality.
I can process your 2 tickets now.
Thank you for your fast help. I appreciate it.
I have selected the 2 tickets for the film.
Thank you, Victor. Are they for the standard 2D viewing?
Yes, this showing is in standard 2D projection.
I prefer 2D. The 3D glasses sometimes give me a headache.
I understand. 2D is often more comfortable for many people.
Is this film showing in the main, largest screening room?
No, this 4:30 p.m. show is in our medium-sized cinema room.
That is perfectly fine with me. I just want comfortable viewing.
The tickets are for the showing in screen number 5.
Screen 5. Where is that located inside the building?
Screen 5 is downstairs past the main popcorn stand.
Downstairs, past the popcorn. I will remember that direction.
Are you happy with the price of the tickets so far?
Yes, the price seems reasonable for a new major movie.
Would you like to consider the VIP seating option?
What exactly is the difference with the VIP seats?
VIP seats are larger, leather chairs with footrests.
That sounds very comfortable, but maybe too expensive.
The VIP seats cost $5 extra per person.
No, thank you. I will stick with the standard seating today.
Standard seating is also very soft and new.
That is good. I need comfortable seats for a long film.
I agree. The film is 2 hours and 15 minutes long.
It is a long movie. I will enjoy every minute of the story.
Now we need to choose the best seats for you. This screen shows the available seats in Screen 5.
I see many seats are still green. That means they're free.
Yes, green seats are available for immediate purchase.
I prefer seats near the middle of the cinema room.
The middle is generally the best position for viewing the screen.
Could you show me the seats in row G or row H?
Row G and row H are both excellent rows for the movie.
I see 2 green seats together in the middle of row H.
Those seats are H7 and H8. They are right in the center.
Yes. Please reserve H7 and H8 for me and my friend.
I have successfully reserved seats H7 and H8 for you.
Thank you for making sure they are together for us.
Is there any other row you would like to check for comparison?
No, H7 and H8 look perfect. I trust your judgment.
I believe those central seats will offer a perfect movie experience.
That is all I need for the seating arrangement.
I will lock in those seats for your tickets now.
Does the cinema have good legroom in the standard seats?
Yes, the space between the rows is quite generous here.
That is good news. I need space for my long legs.
We always prioritize the comfort of our customers here.
You are very helpful with all these details.
It is my job to ensure you have a great visit today.
I forgot to ask about discounts earlier. I am a university student.
We offer a student discount on all our weekday tickets.
That is fantastic. I have my student ID card here.
Please show me your valid student identification card now.
Here is my student ID. Is the discount $5 off?
The student discount is $2 off each individual ticket.
$2 off each ticket. That is $4 of savings total.
I will update the ticket prices in the system right away.
Thank you for applying the savings to my purchase.
Do you happen to have a coupon from a local newspaper?
No, I did not see any coupons in the newspaper recently.
We also have a special offer for popcorn and the large drink.
What is included in that food and drink offer today?
You get 1 medium popcorn and 2 medium drinks for $12.
That sounds like a great deal for the two of us.
Would you like to add the popcorn and drink offer to your purchase?
Yes, please add that special offer to my order.
Perfect. I have added the snacks and drinks to the total price.
I need to check my wallet for the full money amount now.
I will calculate the final discounted total price for you.
Your final discounted total is now $22.
$22 for the tickets and the snacks? That is great.
Would you like to pay using cash or a credit card today?
I prefer to pay with my credit card, please. Here it is.
I will prepare the card machine for your payment now.
I hope the card machine is fast. I need to get inside soon.
The transaction is very fast. Please enter your card now.
I am inserting the card and typing my personal PIN code.
The payment is processing. Please wait for the green light.
The green light is on. The payment has gone through successfully.
Thank you. The payment has been fully accepted by the bank.
I am glad that process was so quick and easy.
Your card is being returned to you now from the machine.
I will put my card back into my wallet immediately.
Would you like me to give you a paper receipt for the purchase?
No, thank you. I do not need a paper receipt today.
The 2 tickets and the snack voucher are printing right now.
I cannot wait to get my hands on the warm popcorn soon.
You can collect your popcorn and drinks at the counter beside the entrance.
Thank you for the precise directions to the snack counter.
I have everything ready for you right here. Here are your 2 tickets for Screen 5, Row H, Seats 7 and 8.
Thank you, Victor. I have my tickets in my hand now.
And here is your voucher for the popcorn and 2 medium drinks.
I will go straight to the snack counter for the food items.
Remember, the movie starts in just 10 minutes downstairs.
10 minutes. I have plenty of time to get the popcorn quickly.
Please enjoy the new Star Wars film very much.
I am sure I will enjoy the film a lot. Thank you for your help.
You were a very efficient and prepared customer today.
Thank you for the kind words. You made the process easy.
Is there anything else I can help you with before you go?
No, that is everything I needed today. Thank you again.
Have a wonderful afternoon at the cinema.
You too, Victor. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. Enjoy the movie.